Hey guys, I'm just dragging a canoe through the snow out in Montana in the mountains. Hope you guys enjoy the video.
Meat all up in there. Look, you got a big old leech.
Hey guys, I am out here in the woods with Jake. He's way far behind me, still getting ready, but I am doing exactly what it looks like I am doing. I am dragging a canoe through the snow on a snowmobile trail. I am in Montana right now on a road trip, and we're going to do a little adventure. This video is actually going to be its own separate adventure video, and there will be a shorter version mixed in with a whole trip video of the whole road trip. Anyways, the reason we have to drag this snowmobile across this snowmobile trail is there's a huge dam down there. This is the Hungry Horse Reservoir, and the water's down roughly 70 feet. You can see off in the distance, it's way down. They have the water to anticipate spring runoff. Oh, I'm out of breath. Whew! Sweating. Anyways, so we can't put it near the dam. There's actually a log jam about right here where this is the closest we can put it in, but it's so steep right here that we can't put it in for another, well, that island over there, so it looks like a half mile or more. It's not insanely far. We've maybe had to go 3/4 of a mile to a mile dragging this, but sure is a lot of work. But we're going to do an overnighter here, and there's no boat access right now to this whole place, so we're going to have this whole reservoir to ourselves, at least we think. And they said there was ice on it, but for the most, as far as we can see, there's no ice. So it looks like there's a great open. We don't know how the fishing's going to be, but we're going to have a beautiful view of the mountains in the background, as you can already see. This is going to be a great trip. I've been looking forward to doing something like this since I've been here. We've been doing a lot of driving. But anyways, I've got to avoid snowmobilers and snow bikers as I continue onward and go. Here comes some now, but I got to get cruising. Let's get to it. Well, good news and bad news. See right there how it's kind of not super steep? Well, I've already passed that. But looking at it from here at this angle, that is way more shallow than where I'm headed to. So I was headed way up that way. So what I'm going to do is turn around and go back, because that does not look bad at all. That looks about the best bet we could hope for to get this thing in, because everything else is super steep. So I'm heading back that way, and I'm gonna get the boat in the water. Here comes Jake. Save the day. We're gonna have to go down right here though. It is steeper than it looks. This is gonna be interesting, but I was just about to start doing this myself. I would much rather do this with help. So that's a good thing he caught up. Hold on, I gotta get this out. I'm holding on to it.
That's a great way to blow a knee out.
You don't have to pull on it. Just go down and I can lower it to you too. That's what I figured we'd do.
Alright, keep going.
Good. All right.
I got it. You got it?
Yep. It's.
I just can't turn around anymore.
Okay.
Alright, I'm gonna drop through there.
Okay.
You can, I found that stepping on these trees helps me up.
Okay. Good.
I'm on the ground right now.
Oh, really?
Alright, stop.
Okay.
I'm gonna need to use the canoe to get back up out of snow. Okay. Got it?
Yep.
There's a piece of rebar.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so that's. Be careful, don't stab yourself.
That's a good sign. Ready?
Gotta come my way.
I can't really steer it. I can just let slack go.
Alright. Got it?
Yep.
Hold it for a sec.
Okay.
These rocks here don't shut up. Alright, I think I can slide across this rotten log. Can you turn that end?
Yeah, one sec. Let me get down here.
Pull the end towards you. Oh, there we go.
All right.
You good?
Yeah. I'm just gonna go at this pace unless you say stop.
Might be more like 100 feet.
Yeah. Well, really only one. Oh, it's cold.
Oh, winter.
Yeah. Oh. Well, there's only one way to do this one. That is some ice cold water. Woo! Oh, that is cold. Oh. Took my breath away. Oh gosh, that's cold. I'm good at that. I am numb. Oh, am I numb? Numb, 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 numb. Oh, that's cold. Oh, that's cold. Oh, that is cold. Damn.
Alright, got it.
Hey,
Well, we're not really sitting that low.
we're canoeing.
Can we appropriately got that barrel of food in here. The point being is that had we done that summer trip, I think we would have been fine.
Yeah. I have never paddled with mountains in the background. This is awesome. This is like glass. Dude, this is so worth it. I'm all smiles right now. Well, you know, there's probably pike in here, but...
I always hypothesized that pike eggs get transported by ducks.
Oh, what a view, what a view.
You like those snow bikes?
Snow bike? Oh yeah. They looked at me like, what the hell are you doing, boy? Carrying a canoe, dragging a canoe. Oh, you betcha. Of course it's gonna be windy. Because today's so nice. This is the toughest paddle I've ever done in my life. No, because it's so windy. And we're going against the current.
No, there is a current. Right?
I know.
Current's going behind. We actually are going.
Yeah, I know. There's a helicopter flying up over there. They're checking on us. Hey, ducks. Yeah, it was ducks.
Or gander, I think that's what they were.
Ducks.
The angle of the...
Ooh, look at this. Oh yeah. Woo-wee! This is beautiful. No humans in sight. Just mountains and wilderness and forest and ducks and ice.
You want to go to Fire Island?
Where's that?
Keep that in mind.
Yeah.
That's a little too close to that corner for me. We can go around this point.
It looks like slush breaking. Yeah, it's just slush. Huh.
The water must be really warm.
Yeah. Ice water.
There's a nice river
Yeah. Oh shit. If I want to do this, I could have stayed at home. Oh man. We're in the Rockies. We're in the Rockies. La da da da. Yeah, that's what I was thinking, but you're steering. I can only control what we do so much. I was like, whatever, I'm up for the challenge of re-breaking through the ice. The SS Good Times! We're thinking about camping on this island. Naming it Jake's Island. But I don't know.
We could burn that. We could make a fire in that stump.
Yeah, there you go. We are just out in the wilderness. It feels like the wilderness. I guess this is a more populated area at the right time of year, but sure feels like wilderness right now. There is nobody for miles. Well, I guess the dam people.
That we know of.
The dam people at the dam. But we're trying to figure out where to camp because we have to go up one of these ridges and kind of go in a flat spot in the trees, but we want that view of the mountains in the background, so it's a tough decision. It has to be the perfect campsite, you know? You know? You know? Alright, we're out of the boat. I've got my hiking shoes on, my mountain hiking shoes. We're gonna go look for a spot up here. We're gonna just walk around, see what we got. Coyote or wolf tracks, maybe, or deer. One thing I have to recommend, if you're ever gonna come to Montana, hike in the mountain areas, is to bring a nice set of Crocs, because they're great for going through the snow, you know? Maybe they're not so great. I'm essentially hiking through the snow barefoot. Oh, it's cold. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, it feels good. Oh. 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 Cold. Yeah, we got our spot. I'm gonna set up my tent right here.
Right there.
Right there. My toes are slightly numb.
Oh, they're probably looking at us right now.
Oh. Are they? Where are they?
Hey.
Oh, they're straight above us. Hey. They're just saying, hey, what's up? Yeah, I'm not exactly sure how many feet up that is. It feels more like 100. I mean, look at Jake's down there. He's down the slope and he looks tiny. He's setting up a rig for fishing. I'm gonna get camp set up. Whew. Whew. Really? Nice. Jake's getting bites already. I just want to get camp set up and then I'm going to go out fishing. He's setting up a rig so he can let it sit and watch it while he's setting up and stuff. Unfortunately, I did not bring a ground sheet for my tarp, or for my tent. But the reason I didn't bring out so much stuff this trip is because all my stuff, I have a bag that I'm going to fly back with, because the reason this trip is cheaper is because I got to drive out here with Jake, because he's moving out here anyway, so I got a free trip out here. I just had to get a plane on my back, so I got to ship my stuff back. So that's going to be fun. So I'm going to try to bring out as little as possible while still having my main gear. It'd be pretty cool to get a fish dinner on this reservoir. I mean, I know there's fish in it. There's got to be fish in here. It's a huge, huge, beautiful reservoir. Super deep. I mean, it's shallower than it usually is right now, but it's still super deep. I'm gonna have to be careful not to. Oh, it's gonna be tough. Staking the tent here. Most of the reservoir there's ice. The rest of it, we're pretty much at all the area we can go. It's ice back in that bay, ice in that bay, ice in that bay. What was open is all we got, really. I don't know if I already mentioned this, but they said since 1964, I believe, this is one out of 8 of the worst winters they've had, so they're way behind. so it is what it is. Oh, when I wake up and come out of this vegetable, that is going to be so epic. This is going to be quite the campsite. Oh, this thing is wet. All right, dude, I'm going fishing. Let's do this. Going fishing. So, I think my best bet for catching fish, since he had bites off worms, I'm gonna take my jig and I'm just gonna do some real slow jigging down on the drop-offs and let it go deep. Because we've been seeing a lot of clear water and haven't seen any fish. So that's gotta mean if they're a little deeper or not around here. Who knows? Who knows what it means? I should be using my ultralight because this water's so clear. That's actually what I'm gonna do. I might even I think I'm better off trolling. I'm gonna be honest with you. Or trying the other side. There's a shallow inlet over there. You know what? I'm gonna just troll to that inlet. Because I feel like since it's ice out, fish are gonna be a little shallower, not this super steep drop off. Then again, I don't know anything about this body of water. So, alright. Well, let's hope that missing that when I was tying my line doesn't matter, which it probably does, but it's already out there. We're gonna risk it. I think my chances are fairly low for catching stuff anyways. So, who knows, maybe I catch the biggest fish of my life and that'll be all make all the difference. Okay, let's see what we come up with. Okay, my first snag. Oh boy, I love snags. Oh, how I've missed getting snags. Snags. Just gotta reverse balance, man. So yeah, this area, you know, I don't think this would be, I mean, there's, down far at that end, there's some wilderness area, but I don't think this is really technically like a wilderness setting, but it sure feels wildernessy. Because, you know, there's the dam a mile or so that way. And, yeah, there's roads around and stuff, but it's all snowed in. It's early. You know, it's, what do you define wilderness as? This feels like wilderness to me. Yeah, there's more deep wilderness, you can go up in the mountains and get crazy, but when I told Jake when we were camping today, I was like, I want to wake up and in my tent have that in the background. And this is pretty much one of the few spots where we could do that where there's not a lot of snow that we know about. Like, we're you know, he's been around this area before, I've never been here, so I have no idea. We've asked the rangers and stuff, and you know, they try to help you out. But we definitely want to get this canoe in the water.
But we're just going with the flow, doing our best, and I'm fully satisfied. It was fun getting down to the water. That's for sure. That was fun. Dragging a canoe. It was pretty much like my sled in the wintertime. Winter camping all over again. I thought I was going to get away from it, but no, not yet. Not yet. Yeah, I don't know. Let me tell you, when you're not catching anything, snags will get your heart racing. Oh, big old stump. How clear this water is. Starting to get a little chilly, so I think I'm going to call it quits on the fishing for now. I haven't had a single bite, I haven't seen a single fish, I haven't seen a single minnow. I do not know what I'm doing on the Hungry Horse Reservoir. That's okay. And it's getting chilly, and I know that it is hot with that sun at our campsite, which I can see from here. And I want to go chill in the sun and the warmth. It's been breezy for a while now on here. What's probably going to happen is as soon as I get to camp, I get up, park the boat, set her down, I'm going to start seeing fish jump or something. It's going to drive me nuts. I'm going to have to come back out fishing. If that's the case, so be it. You hear me, Lake? I'm trying to say something so that you do it, so that I can come back out and fish. Come on now. Don't disappoint me. There's our little camp up there on those rocks. There it is. Looks so far away. Ooh, this thing's tearing a little. I have used and abused this water filter over the years. Okay, this thing's gonna be, it's been sitting for a season. It's gonna need a jump start. Oh wait. They going? Oh, here's what we're gonna do. Oh, it's going real slow. That just won't do right now.
There it goes. Trickling a little slow. Still faster than pumping. Oh, I just gotta get some of the air out. There it goes. Alright. Haven't used it all season. Need to make sure. It is time to collect firewood. I will have the fire over here where all the wood is.
Bam.
Fine.
Look at it, now all we gotta
Boom.
do- Now all we gotta do is pick this shit up and put it on. Why make it harder on ourselves?
Because, hey, an Indian head. It's good. Making it hard on yourselves is fun.
All the wood is conveniently piled right there for us.
Nature's wood pile. Or, I guess it's not, it's man-made wood pile. Have an early fire tonight, eh?
Ow.
The sun is setting. It's got like another 20-30 minutes, but we're out of the sun now. Oop. It's time to make some dinner. We're gonna have some venison back straps. And then some of my homemade dehydrated spaghetti from my Boundary Waters trip back in October. So that should be pretty delicious, hopefully. Wow. That looks pretty good. Even for being lukewarm for a few days.
I mean, what's better than spoiled meat? Nothing.
Nothing. We are going with smoky Montreal steak seasoning on these back straps today. Spicing it up. Changing things up. Like, it just looks so delicious. On the water.
Oh, no, it's bringing propane. That's too much.
Whoops. Here, since I'm going to eat out of this anyways, you can set them in here if you want when they're done. So you can put the rest, the other ones.
Did you find it?
Nope. That's why I brought it over.
Oh, thanks.
I dug through a whole bag, I couldn't find it. He's gonna find it 2 seconds, so I just bring his bag over. That's how it goes when you know where something is. Oh yeah, that's some backstrap right there. Alright.
That's some good spoiled meat.
Well,
You don't even know how hard I'm trying to catch a fish.
I haven't even seen you with one on yet. And you've been right there each time I've had mine on.
Hey, I had the original bite.
How do I even know though?
Because I don't lie. I definitely had him on, but I didn't see him out of the water like your couple ones.
Alright.
I can't believe you didn't get either of those. That second one you were pulling out of the water, that it just like got right off. All right. 8-month-old spaghetti. Please don't make me sick. Ooh, it looks good already. There we go. That's perfect for mine. Yours might be a little too much. Alright, now she's gotta hydrate.
Saw that happening.
Yeah. Well, mine still needs a ways.
Why don't you get like chums?
Chums?
Yeah, for your sunglasses.
What are chums?
The lanyard on the back of your sunglasses.
Well, I don't know. They don't ever fall off my head.
But you stick them in your pocket and drop them.
Yeah. Alright, that needs a few minutes to dehydrate.
Yeah, that's how you know there's water in there.
My lips got burnt today.
Sunburnt? Yeah. I'll have to bust out my chapstick. Check my spaghetti. Oh. All right. Oh yeah, that's done. Jake even brought me out a kiwi watermelon LaCroix. It's gonna be delicious. All right, let's eat this. Ooh, let's crack my LaCroix. Oh, nothing like a carbonated water out in the out in the woods when you're camping. That is still delicious. 8 months later. I will show a video how I make my dehydrated meals. Next time I make a big batch. I should just bring out a soda stream next time I go camping. Then I could have carbonated glacier water. Alright, I'm gonna smash this. Jake's working on hanging the bear bag. It's being difficult. That's some good food. Well, for right now, Jake's over there hanging the bear bag, and well, he accomplished it. He's got some kindling for tomorrow morning. But we're just going to let this fire burn down, and then we're probably going to tuck her out and go to bed. Ate some good food, and I'm pretty full. Whew. Keep this handy. Alright, ladies and gentlemen. Ate some good food. Did a lot of fishing, didn't catch shit. But it's time to layer up, crawl into bed, and pass out. So I will catch you guys in the morning. Good night, everybody. Buenos dias.
What?
Buenos dias. Oh. Well, it's time to put on some layers and get up into the world. Alright, let's do it. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Waking up and opening the tent to the view of the mountains. Mm-hmm. Hey, all the flesh is gone.
Is it?
Yeah. Well, on this side.
Think about all the more fishing opportunities you have now.
Oh. Fishing. Hey, a fish did just jump over there.
No, it didn't.
Yeah, it did. Off to the left.
Maybe morning is when you need to fish the Hungry Horse Reservoir.
Maybe. Morning. Morning. Ooh, it's nippy. It's not bad though. Breakfast time. Sweet. Wouldn't it be sweet if the bear bag was gone?
Yeah.
Because it was hung so high.
If I was a bear, I wouldn't try to get that.
Look at it. Well, it's just too much work. I have to stand up on my hind legs.
You think my truck's still there?
I'd say there's a small chance the truck's still there. Smells like fire.
There you go.
Thanks.
No problem, dog.
Nice. Oatmeal burnt. That's a big chunk of sugar in
Yeah, it
there.
all fell in there.
Oh man.
I wasn't about to stick my hand in there to dig it out. So not only do you get caffeinated, you're gonna get sugar
I
bugs.
think I'm gonna take some of this out.
No, dude.
Dude, that's half sugar.
That's good.
No.
Don't be an asshole, dude. You eat the breakfast I gave you.
No. Your bear bag held up?
Yeah, dude.
Wow.
There's.
Good thing there's no bears in the area.
No, you can see where they like caught at the tree, not on the rope a little bit. They just couldn't get it down, so they left.
Yeah. I'm sure that's exactly how it went.
Just eat it, dude.
That's... That's some sugar. What?
It's getting lighter out. Clouds are dissipating.
See where we're at.
Yeah, that looks good. Should I just water your oatmeal down with the coffee?
There you go. Thanks, dude. You take care of me so well out here.
Would you say you're happy with that?
I'm 100% happy with
All that water?
Just keep going until we see a little... That's good. Oh, dude! A little bit more.
It's gonna fall.
Just a smidge. That's good. That's good. Perfect. That is a bowl of oats. That's about as much as I ate in spaghetti yesterday.
Put some snow in there.
Oatmeal?
Yeah, and your coffee. This coffee should make you get the shit.
I will. Are you gonna shit?
Probably. You asked me if I had the farts last night, and I did not until like I got moving around this morning.
Uh-oh. Well, this might have been too much water. It's a little soupy. It's really sugary.
Do you want more sugar?
No.
You want coffee in there?
That's sweet. I'm gonna get going off of this.
I think we should tomorrow we should make oatmeal with coffee.
I'll try it.
Why beat around the bush and have a cup of coffee when you could just have coffee and oatmeal in one sitting?
I'll try it. It probably tastes real bad.
With a little bit of brown sugar?
I will use I will use more, double this.
You want me to sprinkle some coffee grounds on that?
No. Alrighty, well, it's time to get going back to the car now. Fishing.
You caught so much last night?
Yeah. I got a bite around this corner. Yep. From the cold air on my knees. The wind was biting.
Oh yeah.
I'm convinced that they were congregated because. Hey. Aw. That. Yeah, that loon. He wanted to say hello, but then he was like, "Get the hell out of here!" Yeah. Loon. 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 Huh? Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we just got to paddle a little bit more, and then we've got to hike back up, or climb our stuff back up that steep hill to the snowmobile trail, and then we're going to get out of here. So I don't feel like doing a whole bunch of recording. So, as always, if you like the video, hit the like button. If you want to see more stuff like this, hit the subscribe button. And I'll catch you guys at the next video.